Hello. In this video, we want to explain to you about the digital load control wiring. In the previous video, we explained to you how to set up this digital load control. So watch the video until the end so that can explain to you about the wiring of this device. Now I want to wire this digital load control. In the previous part, I explained about the settings and the errors display on this device. First, you should do the shimming of the power circuit and then do the command circuit. Uh, to wire the power circuit, you need to pass the RST through the three holes. We pass the red wire R through the first slot. One side they connected to the motor and the other side to the MCCB, and we pass the wire S and T like this. You have to replace the blue and yellow wires. The wiring is the power circuit of this device. We only need to do this for the power circuit, so you have to do the power circuit like this. You should use these lower curves for the control circuit. The first square is related to the neutral input, where we connect the wire directly from the neutral. The second square is related to the fuse that we can connected. The third square is auto. For the fourth turn, we took the wire from the fuse and connected to the selector K, then to the stop K, and finally to the fourth uh, square C or call. Then we connected a wire from a normally open of the device to A1 conductor, and we connected A2 to the null. Now if we activate it input, the conductor will be activated if there is a no load. In the previous video, we explained that the working process of this device was RO and RC. If we change from RC to RO, the conductor will open. And now, no matter how much we activate and deactivate the input, the conductor doesn't activate because this device has displayed an error on of a no load. If we switch back to RC mode, the conductor is activated when if there is a fault. In the previous video, I fully explained this point to you. Now we change to RO mode again. Here. Now it is a RO mode and shows no load error, and this is the reason why it didn't connect the power circuit part. So in this way, this three-phase load control is a wire. Now we can use this device for a signal phase load. In the signal phase circuit is insert the phase wire from slot I1 and return from slot I3, and we connect it to the motor. This is a signal phase power circuit. In the signal phase circuit, we insert the phase wire from slot I1 and return from slot I3, and we wire the common circuit like the three-phase mode. So for the power circuit, we have to take the three wires from the RCB, pass them through the load control grooves, and connect them to the head of the conductor and connect them to the motor from under the conductor. For the common circuit, we must first connect the neutral and phase, then connect the phase wire to the start, and stop input and connect it to the COM load control and connect normally open to A1 conductor and connect A2 to neutral. Now since we are empty to load control is off, that UNC leaders are displayed. Now if we change this device to RC mode, despite the error, the device activated the conductor that we make a change. This changes is special situations when we want to turn on the motor. Wiring this device is not difficult, but it has many points. If we connect a wire from the direct fuse for the auto scare, in that case, it will connect and disconnect automatically. If there is an error on the load, it cut off the controller circuit, which will stop after on delay some 60 seconds, which is done for a few times, after which is doesn't connect anymore and must be reset manually. That you have to press down and up together to reset. If you have any question about this load control, ask in the comments. Thank you.